Hey there, Dashers. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. So basically, if you're experiencing, login issues on your Doordash Dasher app, don't worry, guys. We've got you covered. So here are a few troubleshooting steps to actually get you back to dashing in no time. So let's jump right in without wasting any of your time. So step number one, you can actually just restart the app. Just close their Doordash app completely and just reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve temporary glitches, okay? And what you can actually also do is just check your internet connection. You want to ensure that you're connected to a strong Wi Fi or cellular network. A weak connection can prevent the app from logging you in properly, right? And step number three, what you can do, guys, is you can just update the app, okay? So just update the app. Just go to the Apple Store, App Store, or just Google Play Store. Just search for the Dasher app and just see if there's an update available. Updating often resolves compatibility issues and bugs, okay? Step four, what you can try is just clear the app cache. So if you're on Android, you're gonna go to your phone settings, find the Dasher app under the apps, okay, and tap on clear cache. And if you are on iPhone, you'll actually need to reinstall the app to clear the cache, as iOS doesn't have a way to directly clear cache, okay? Now, what you can also do is just verify your credentials. You want to actually double check your email and password to ensure that you have been putting them in correctly. If you forget any password, just use the forget password link to reset it. And what you can also do, guys, is just check, okay? Just check if DoorDash's server status. Just visit, downdetector.com or DoorDash's social media to see if there's an actually affecting login. So if there's an outage, then this will not work. So it's the same problem for everyone. And then lastly, guys, if none of these works, what you can do is just contact DoorDash support. If all fails, just reach out to the support team through the help section in the app or on their website. And that's it, guys. These simple steps should help resolve your Dasher login issue. And if this video was helpful, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.